Imagine your IT network becoming the biggest roadblock to your business growth. This was the challenge faced by Wabtec, a global leader in transportation manufacturing. Let's explore how they turned things around. Wabtec is a global manufacturer of locomotives, freight cars, and transit vehicles. Their mission is to innovate and lead the future of transportation. But in 2018, their outdated IT network became a major obstacle to their growth. Wabtec's MPLS network was expensive and inflexible. Deploying new locations took weeks or even months, delaying their global expansion. Meanwhile, their IT team was overwhelmed by the complexity of managing this outdated system. Recognizing Wabtec's challenges, Deutsche Telekom introduced Aryaka's managed SD-WAN solution. This innovative approach promised faster deployments, reduced costs, and greater flexibility compared to MPLS. Aryaka proved its value through a side-by-side test at Wabtec's most challenging sites. The results were clear: better performance, faster deployments, and reduced management burden for IT teams. The results were transformative. Wabtec achieved faster and more consistent application performance worldwide, reduced deployment times from weeks to days, and significantly lowered costs. This case study highlights three key lessons. First, flexibility is essential for global growth. Second, managed SD-WAN solutions streamline IT operations and free up internal resources. Finally, strategic partnerships can unlock innovative solutions to complex challenges. Are you ready to overcome your IT challenges like Wabtec did? Explore Aryaka's offerings today and take the first step toward transforming your business.